Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome, a creation that redefines luxury travel and takes the concept of motorhomes to a level that most people could only dream about. Rolls-Royce is a brand that has always stood for unmatched craftsmanship, elegance, and sophistication, and in this motorhome, they have blended all those qualities with comfort, practicality, and state-of-the-art technology to deliver the ultimate home on wheels. This is not just a vehicle, it is an experience, designed for those who demand nothing less than perfection in every journey. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome makes a powerful statement from the very first glance. It carries the iconic design language of the brand, from the signature grille to the sleek, elongated body lines that give it a majestic presence on the road. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem is proudly placed at the front, reminding you that this is no ordinary motorhome. The body is sculpted with precision, combining aerodynamic efficiency with classic Rolls-Royce elegance. Advanced LED matrix headlights provide outstanding visibility, while chrome accents and polished alloy wheels add to the commanding look. The sheer size of the motorhome is balanced beautifully with proportions that maintain the sophistication Rolls-Royce is known for. It feels less like a camper and more like a luxury mansion on wheels, turning every highway into its red carpet. Step inside, and the interior is a masterclass in luxury living. The cabin welcomes you with handcrafted wood veneers, the finest leather upholstery, and bespoke detailing that can be customized to each owner's taste. Every surface exudes exclusivity, from the stitched patterns on the seats to the ambient lighting that creates the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. The motorhome is designed to be a complete living space with multiple zones, including a spacious lounge area, a dining section, a fully equipped kitchen, and even a private bedroom suite. Rolls-Royce has integrated smart home technology, allowing you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment systems with a simple voice command or a touchscreen panel. The panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, offering breathtaking views wherever you park, while advanced soundproofing ensures peace and tranquility no matter the surroundings. The attention to detail is beyond comparison, making this motorhome not just a vehicle but a 5-star hotel suite that moves with you. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is built to impress. Under the hood, it is powered by a refined hybrid V12 engine combined with an advanced electric drive system, offering seamless power delivery and quiet, efficient performance. Despite its size, it glides on the road with Rolls-Royce's signature Magic Carpet ride technology, ensuring that passengers experience smoothness and comfort even on long journeys. Adaptive air suspension, advanced driver assistance systems, and all-wheel steering make driving this giant surprisingly effortless. The motorhome also includes regenerative braking and a long-range battery system, making it both powerful and environmentally responsible. This balance of performance and sustainability ensures that luxury and responsibility go hand in hand. Talking about pricing, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is undoubtedly aimed at the elite, with prices expected to start from around $2.5 million and climbing significantly depending on customization. It is reserved for those who see travel not just as movement but as a lifestyle. Each unit is tailor-made to the buyer's specifications, making no two motorhomes alike. While it may be a dream for most, for those who can afford it, it represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury and freedom. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is more than just a vehicle, it is the future of luxury travel, combining world-class engineering, timeless design, and unmatched comfort. It symbolizes how far the idea of a motorhome can be stretched when innovation meets extravagance. If you thought the open road was ordinary, Rolls-Royce has reimagined it as a journey of prestige, comfort, and exclusivity.